Hi everyone, welcome back to Car Experience. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of supercars with a spotlight on the 2025 Audi R8 GT. This limited edition marvel is not just a testament to Audi's engineering prowess but also a fitting farewell to their iconic V10 engine. A grand finale for the V10, the 2025 R8 GT marks the end of an era, as Audi bids adieu to its legendary V10 engine. This model is a tribute to the brand's rich motorsport heritage, blending cutting-edge technology with design elements that harken back to its racing roots. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the R8 GT lies a 5.2-liter V10 engine, closely mirroring the one found in the R8 LMS race car. For the US market, this powerhouse delivers 602 horsepower and 413 pounds-feet of torque, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission featuring faster shift times. The R8 GT rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, reaching a top speed of 199 miles per hour. Notably, this iteration is rear-wheel drive, a departure from the traditional quattro all-wheel drive system, offering a pure driving experience. Exclusive features for the US market. Audi has tailored the R8 GT specifically for American enthusiasts. Standard features include laser light headlight technology, dynamic steering, and a sport exhaust system that produces a more aggressive note, thanks to less stringent emissions regulations compared to Europe. Visually, the US models boast carbon fiber elements such as mirrors, side blades, and door sills, along with an exclusive diamond-stitched headliner. A Bang & Olufsen sound system ensures premium audio quality, though with an engine soundtrack this captivating, you might not need it. Design and aerodynamics. The R8 GT's design is both functional and striking. Developed in a wind tunnel, the carbon fiber aero kit enhances stability and downforce, allowing for faster cornering speeds. This kit includes a front splitter, flicks, side skirt covers, rear bumper elements, a diffuser, and a distinctive rear wing with gooseneck suspension, optimizing aerodynamic efficiency. Interior excellence. Inside, the R8 GT offers a driver-focused environment. The cabin features a combination of black and red accents, reminiscent of the original 2012 R8 GT. Red seatbelts make a return, and the floor mats and bucket seats proudly display the model's insignia. Each car's unique production number is elegantly showcased on the gear selector, emphasizing its exclusivity. Pricing and availability. Exclusivity comes at a price. The 2025 Audi R8 GT starts at $249,900, with additional costs for destination, paint, and a gas guzzler tax bringing the total to approximately $253,290. Only 150 units are allocated for the US, making it a rare gem for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Final thoughts. The 2025 Audi R8 GT is more than just a car, it's a celebration of Audi's engineering excellence and a tribute to the V10 era. With its blend of performance, design, and exclusivity, it stands as a fitting send-off to a legendary lineage. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 2025 Audi R8 GT. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car experience content. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.